Pandas dynamic row-based equity calculation. I've been beating my head against a wall trying to figure out the best approach on this question. I have a slow backtester in Excel that I'm trying to port to Pandas. I thought I'd be able to leverage the power of Python rather than merely recreate the Excel functions in Python, but I'm stuck. The key challenge is in portfolio P and L calculation for multiple and dynamically changing instruments over time. For example, based on criteria, I want to buy instrument A and C for the first n periods. Then I want to use B and C for the next n periods. And so on. I want to buy proportional amounts of each instrument based on current equity, as opposed to buying 100 shares each time or something. The Excel row-based function calculates shares first based on initial equity, but then based on equity available in the previous row. Something like, if rebalance period equals true, equity from prev row, current share price, previous R shares. Attempting Panda it. Here are example inputs. That doesn't get you very far, but here are the desired outputs. In this example, I want to rebalance instruments by swapping from A to B at the 4th row, the 4th of January 2000, where A equals 0 thereafter. I realize there's a lot in this one. I appreciate any help. Thank you.
Just follow the same idea that you do in the Excel. The only difference is that the Excel function applied to each row is now expressed as a loop.